Good morning, children. How are you? We are going to study Unit 19, Plant Physiology. Okay? Already 18 studied. Now, plant physiology. We will study about plants. We will study about plants. Okay? Plants move from one place to another place. Moving or not? Plants moving? Not. That have no legs. Yes? That will not go one place to another place. Yes? Sometimes water taking and going, wind taking and going. That plant not going from one place to another place by walk. Yes? Plant moving. Yes? Two types of movements are there. One is tropism. Another one is nastic movement. Tropism, nastic movement. Tropism means different tropism types are there. We will study. Animals move. Yes? In search of food, shelter and reproduction. Plants do not move. Some plants, you think touch me not plant, you know that touching time that closing the leaves closes on touching. Helianthus annuus, sunflower. Helianthus annuus. Touch me not Mimosa pudica. Mimosa pudica. That touching time that will close the leaves. Sunflower, you know sunflower. Helianthus annuus. Helianthus annuus. Sunflower. Follows the path of the sun from the dawn to dusk. From east to west. Turn the flower, the head. Yes. These movements are triggered by an external stimuli. Unlike plants, animals do not move on their own from one place to another place. Unlike animals, plants do not move on their own from one place to another but can move their body parts for getting sunlight, water and nutrients. They are sensitive to external factors. Sensitive to external factors. That means light, gravity, temperature, that like. Okay. So, plants also turning the stem, turning leaves, root, that like plants want sunlight, water, nutrient. That time that will move. That can move their body parts. Move their body parts only for getting sunlight, water and nutrient. Yes, that will, now we will see the tropism, plant growth in response to stimulus. Plant growth in response to stimulus. There are many types of tropism. What is tropism? What is tropism? Tropism is a unidirectional movement. Unidirectional movement of a whole or part of plant towards the direction of stimuli. Tropism is the unidirectional movement of the whole or part of the plant towards the direction of the stimuli. Yes. Nature of stimuli. Tropism can classified different. Phototropism, geotropism, hemotropism, hydrotropism, hemotropism, thermotropism. Phototropism. What is phototropism? Movement of plants, movement of plant pot towards light. Sunlight எங்க கிடைக்குதோ அங்க பார்த்து இலை போகும். Yes, that movement of plant pot towards the light. Example, shoot of the plant. Shoot of the plant. Stem, leaf, flower, all. Shoot of the plants. That is phototropism. Movement of plants, plant pot towards light. Okay. Geotropism. Geotropism, movement of the plant in response to gravity. It is a shoot system. Response to the gravity. Gravity, பூமி, புவி ஈர்ப்பு விசை. பூமி ஈர்த்து கொண்டே இருக்கும். Yes, gravity means that attracting down. The root of a system. That is going down. Movement of the plant in response to gravity. Heterotropism. Heterotropism, movement of plant or part of a plant towards water. இப்போ ரூட் வாட்டரை தேடிட்டே இருக்கும். Where is water? Because plant want water, root only absorbing water. So searching the water. That time the root is going here and there. Which place water is there? That place that root is going. Searching water. So movement of plants or plant part of the plant towards water. That means root of the plant. Root of the plant. Next one, dymotropism. Dymotropism, movement of the plant pot due to touch. Climbing vines. Touch me not. Dymotropism. Dymotropism, that is a climbing vines. Climbing vines. Vine plant. Vine plant, you know, vine plant. அது எப்படி movement of the plant pot due to touch. Climbing vines. கொடி மாதிரி படர்ந்து கிடக்கும்ல திராட்சை கொடி. That is. Hemotropism, movement of a part of the plant in response to chemicals. Example, growth of pollen tube in response to sugar present on the stigma. Present on the stigma. Growth of pollen tube in response to sugar present on the stigma. Sugar present on the stigma. Hemotropism. Growth in response to chemical stimuli. Chemicals. Next one, thermotropism, growth in response to heat. Growth in response to heat. Okay. Phototropism, geotropism, heterotropism, dymotropism, hemotropism, and thermotropism. These are the types of tropisms. Tropism is generally termed positive if growth is towards the signal. Growth is towards the signal, that is a positive. Negative signal and a negative if it is away from the signal. Negative na away from the signal, that is a negative. Positive na and towards, அதுக்கு இசைவா போயிட்டு இருக்குது. Shoot of the plant moves towards the light. The root move away. Thus a shoot are positively phototropic. Shoot are positively phototropic. Shoot are positively phototropic. And roots are not positively that is negatively phototropic root. Photo means light. Light வந்து மேல இருக்குது, அதனால shoot system வந்து மேல போயிட்டே இருக்குது. அது வந்து பாசிட்டிவ். ஓகே, எங்க போட்டோ எங்க லைட் கிடைக்குதோ அதை பார்த்து ஷூட் சிஸ்டம் வளர்ந்துட்டு இருக்கு. So that is a phototropism. It is a positively phototropic. Okay, shoot system consists of plants is positively phototropic and negatively geotropic. Positively phototropic, negatively geotropic. Yes, negatively geotropic means gravity. Gravity கீழே தான் இழுத்துட்டே இருக்குது. அப்போ ஷூட் சிஸ்டம் மேல வளர்ந்துட்டு இருக்குது, கிராவிட்டி கீழே இழுத்துட்டு இருக்கு. அப்போ இது என்னது? ஆப்போசிட். ஸோ நெகட்டிவ்லி ஜியோட்ரோபிக். அண்ட் root system is negatively phototropic and positively geotropic. Yes, growth towards the light source is called positive phototropism. லைட்டை பார்த்து இந்த லீவ்ஸ் ஸ்டெம் எல்லாம் வளர்ந்துட்டு இருக்கு, அதான் என்னது? பாசிட்டிவ் போட்டோட்ரோபிசம். while growth away the light, that is called negative phototropism. Negative phototropism, the root. Negative phototropism, that is root. Negative phototropism. ஏன்னா போட்டோ வந்து லைட் வந்து மேல இருக்கு, ரூட் வந்து நெகட்டிவா போயிட்டு இருக்கு. ஸோ இட் இஸ் while growth away from the light, it is negative phototropism. Stems are positively phototropic, roots are negatively phototropic. Okay, phototropics, that light sources is up, so the plants also growing up, so it is positive phototropism. While growth away from the light, that is negative phototropism. Okay, the root also given here, root negative phototropism. Some halophytes produce negatively geotropic roots. ரூட்ஸ் எப்பவுமே கீழே தான் போகும், ஆனா இந்த ஹாலோஃபைட்ஸ்ல ரூட்ஸ் வந்து மேல மாற போகுது. தட் இஸ் நெகட்டிவ் ஜியோட்ரோபிக் ரூட்ஸ். That is in the book picture given there. Do you know? Everybody see the picture. The roots are coming up. Why? These roots are 180-degree upright for respiration. 100-degree upright for respiration. The roots are turned up. Okay, this only positive phototropism. Negative, all roots are negative phototropism. Halophytes, some halophytes only, that is positive phototropism. Okay, yes. Next one, nastic movement. That is two type of movement. One is tropic movement, tropism. Another one is nastic movement. Tropic movement, that is phototropism, geotropism, heterotropism, dymotropism, hemotropism, and thermotropism. These are the tropic movement. These all naturally going, natural, that is every plant is doing like this. It is a tropism, tropic movement. Nastic movement is not like, is plant movement to stimulus, that its direction is not determined by stimulus but by plants itself. Here also some movements are there. Photo nasty, Nicty nasty, Dymo nasty, Photo nasty, Nicty nasty, Dymo nasty, Thermo nasty, complex nasty. Okay, that like some nasty moment. These are all part time only, part only. These are part only. Nastic moments are non-directional response of the plant. Tropism is unidirectional movement of the whole or part of the plant. Have you understood? Tropism is a unidirectional movement of the whole or part of the plant towards the direction of stimuli. Here, nastic movement are non-directional response of the plant or part of the plant to stimulus. Just opposite. That is unidirectional movement. It is non-directional movement. Non-directional response of the plant part or to stimulus. Based on the nature of stimulus, nastic movements are classified follows. That is a photonasty, nictinasty, dymonasty, thermonasty, complex nasty. Okay, one activity given here in the book. Everybody see that book. Everybody see that book. Here one activity given. See here everybody. One water, one, that means one glass filled with water with sand. The sand is in the big place. Water is in the glass. Okay. Keep a flower pot containing water plugged at the bottom of the center of the glass through. Place some soaked pea and bean seed around the pot in the sand. What do you observe? After 6 or 7 days, record your observation. You also do in your home. Pea plant, beans plant. That like some seed you keep it in the mud. That means sand. Okay. The water is in the glass. The root are going near the glass. Why? That root want water. So only that one turning and going to the water near. The root knows the water. Where is water? That root know. So the root turning the root. So that one going to near the glass. Okay. Why? What do you observe? Observe this one. You can observe. Yes. The root want water. Okay. So the root part turning and to near the water. Another one activity also given here. Take a pea plant, pea seeds soaked in water overnight. ஒரு நாள் நைட் ஃபுல்லா அந்த pea seed என்ன செய்யணும் வாட்டர்ல முக்கி வைக்கணும். Wait for a pea seeds to germinate. After 2 or 3 days after that will germinate. Once the seedling has grown, put it in a box. The seedling has grown, put it in the box with opening for light on one side. ஒரு பாக்ஸ்ல போடணும். அந்த ஓப்பனிங் ஃபார் லைட் ஆன் ஒன் சைடுல தான் லைட் இருக்கு வெளியே வரணும் தெரியணும். After few hours you can clearly see how the stem has bent. and grown towards the light. This activity root turning. Another one activity also you do and see in your home. ஒரு பாக்ஸ்ல பீனட் அப்படி ஜெர்மினேட் ஆனதை போட்டுட்டு சன்லைட் வந்து ஒரு சைடு மட்டும் தான் தெரியணும். அதுக்கு இந்த நாலு சைடு கவர், 3 சைடு கவர் ஆயிருக்கும், ஒரு சைடு அதுக்குள்ள சன்லைட் தெரியணும். அப்படி வைக்கணும். வச்சுட்டு 4 days 5 days after 6 days 1 week after you see the shoot வந்து அப்படியே tan ஆகி லைட் எந்த சைடு வருதோ அங்க தெரியும். இந்த 3 சைடு கவர் பண்ணிருக்கேன், அந்த சைடுக்கு வந்து அந்த ஷூட் டேன் ஆகாது. எந்த பக்கத்துல லைட் ஓப்பன் வருதோ அதுலதான் என்னது அந்த இது டேன் ஆயிருக்கும். Okay, do and see in your home. These two activity do in your home. Okay. Yes. What are the difference between the tropic movement and the nastic movement? Tropic movement and the nastic movement. Yes. Tropic movement. Tropic movement occur due to the unidirectional stimulus. Nastic movement, thus movement occurs due to diffuse stimulus. The stimulus acts on protoplasm from one direction only. That is a unidirection. Here nastic movement, the protoplasm from all side. Stimulus act on the protoplasm all side. The response is directly related. This is the stimulus. The response has no relation to the direction of the stimulus. Yes, the book given properly. Unidirectional response to the stimulus. Nastic, non-directional response to the stimulus. Second point, growth dependent movements. Growth nastic, growth independent movements. Tropic, more or less permanent and irreversible. More or less permanent or irreversible. Nastic, temporary and reversible. Temporary and reversible, found in all parts. Nastic இது வந்து எல்லா பார்ட்லயும் இருக்காது, found only few specialized part. Tropic movement, slow action. Nastic movement that is immediate action. Nastic movement, it is immediate action. Okay, nastic movement and tropic movement, everybody understood, children? Yes, that one more time I will say nastic movement, photonasty movement of part of the plant responds to the light. Taraxacum, that is one flower. Taraxacum officinale blooms in morning and closes in evening. That flower only morning blooming and evening closes, night full closing. That one example given here, Empomia alba, that is moonflower. Open in night. இது என்ன செய்யும், நைட்ல ஓபன் ஆகும், closes during the day. See the picture in the book. Night full opened, daytime that is closed. It is a moonflower. Why? Because of photonasty. Movement of part of a plant in response of light. Open in night and closes during the day. Thymonasty, that movement of the plant responds to touch. That we know, touch me not plant. That is from touch me not plant. That is Mimosa pudica. Mimosa pudica. That is a touch me not plant. The leaves folds leaf and droops. Folds leaves and droops when touched. நம்ம touch பண்ணோனே அது அப்படியே fold ஆயிரும். It is known as seismonasty. Seismonasty, that is touch me not. Mimosa seismonasty. That is a Thymonasty. Okay. Another one example, Venus flytrap. Dionaea muscipula. Dionaea muscipula. That is present in the spectacular example of Thymonasty. Exhibit one of the fastest known nastic movement. See the picture. Everybody see the picture, 227 page. That is insects catching the insects. Housefly, butterfly, honeybee, sitting inside the bag, that after that will close. That is a Venus flytrap. Venus flytrap, that plant. Another one, Thermonasty. Thermonasty, movement of part of a plant is associated with change in temperature. This, see the picture, white color, red color, pink color, yellow color, yellowish red color, that light different. The temperature is different, the color also different. Okay. Tulip flower bloom as temperature increases. Temperature increases. So change in temperature, the flowers also blooming different. Okay. The end product. So the Thermonasty tulip, in tulip plant you see the flowers are bloom as temperature increases. When temperature increases, that tulip plant will bloom. Okay. Okay, children. Yes, this part I taught only 2 pages. Here some botanical name of the plants. Everybody open the book. You write it that Mimosa pudica, touch me not plant. Okay, underline that. First paragraph. Helinthus annuus, sunflower. It is a botanical name. You write the botanical name in your classwork note. Okay, children? Everybody, this lesson more botanical names are there. You write the common name and botanical name. Mimosa pudica, touch me not plant. Helinthus annuus, sunflower. Okay. Next, Venus flytrap. Page number 227 last. Dionaea muscipula. Dionaea muscipula. Another one, see that up. Taraxacum. Oh, this common name not given. Ipomoea alba. Ipomoea alba, moonflower. Moonflower. These are some botanical name and common name given. This one you write in the classwork note. These all. Okay. Okay, children. Everybody write the botanical name of these plants. Okay. Yes. You will write homework. 10 fill in the blanks. 10 fill in the blanks your homework. Write about type of tropism in classwork. That means you write the tropism, What is tropism? Type of tropism. Phototropism, geotropism, heterotropism, thymotropism, hemotropism is in the book, page number 226. That what is phototropism? What is the example? Geotropism. What is the example of geotropism? What is heterotropism? What is the example of heterotropism? That like all type. What is the phototropism? What is the example of that? Like you write that on page number 226. Okay, this is your classwork, and the botanical name of that some plants are given here. Botanical name and a common name you write it. Okay, that also your classwork. Okay, children. Yes, everybody study this one. Very easy lesson. Very easy lesson. Some hard words are there. Hard words are there. That words also you study properly. Botanical name of the plant. Yes, that you study properly. Okay, children.